What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I've missed you guys so much. I hope that you missed me too. I'm so sorry I've been MIA. It was really not my plan, but I was kind of trying to juggle a couple of things and it was not really working for me. So I kind of just decided to take a break, but now I am back before the year is over to help you guys just plan ahead. Like, I am planning ahead. I also just want to say that in 2021 I'm obviously planning to be more consistent. I'm planning to plan my work and YouTube properly, just so that I am on here as often as I would love to be. So having said all that, I'm super excited for today's video, you guys. So if this is your first time, I almost forgot to say that, it's been such a long time. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Ivy Nganga. Welcome to my channel. Please do subscribe. Thank you so much to every person who has subscribed to my channel when I wasn't even posting. I've gotten so many new subscribers and I'm so thankful. I promise not to let you down. In 2021 I'll do a better job of being consistent like I was throughout the year. Yeah, so without even talking too much, let's get into today's video. I'm going to be talking about vision boards. I've already created my 2021 vision board and I am so excited, just because sometimes I get so busy I don't even get time to do my vision board till April. But even so, I still managed to achieve a couple of the things I put up on my vision board. Better late than never. So if you happen to see this video sometime in the year, don't be discouraged. Just do create your vision board, because it's definitely a good source of motivation and inspiration, and you will be happy you did it. So I'm just going to share with you a few things that I've learned along the way. I've been doing vision boards since 2017, I think. Yeah, since 2017. It has really changed my life. When you wake up in the morning and it's the first thing you see, you kind of visualize yourself doing those things. You kind of visualize yourself in that place, having that amount of money, and in the end, you just never know, you might end up actually manifesting those things into reality. So what is a vision board in the first place? If you've never heard about a vision board, you don't know what a vision board is. It's a visual representation of your goals and dreams and just generally your heart's desires. Yeah, so it just acts as a source of motivation and inspiration. Like I said, when you wake up in the morning, or when you're just going into your room, going into your office, and it's the first thing you look at, you're looking at it multiple times during the day, multiple times at night before you go to bed. You kind of begin to see yourself in that place you're trying to go, and in the end it actually does come to pass. I remember when I created my first vision board in 2017, I was like, I just went crazy is what I would say. I just thought about my wildest dreams, put them up on that vision board, and of course most of them didn't really come to pass because I didn't really have a plan. But the most important thing on that vision board actually came to pass, and that just blew my mind. That just made me so happy, and this became something that I had to do every other year, and it's something I've continued to do every other year, even when I'm late. Like I said, you'd rather do it late than not do it at all. So this is something I always make time for. This is something I always do every year. I just wanted to talk about my 2020 vision board, you guys. This year I just began my year with a lot of anxiety, with a lot of nervousness. I don't know what was going on. I think I mentioned this maybe in my other videos. So when I was doing my vision board, that was the kind of space I was in. It was negative. It was just not the kind of space I should have been creating my vision board from. So what happened was, in 2020 I really wouldn't say I've achieved any of the things I put up on my vision board. I really did not put much thought into what I was putting on there. I was just doing it for the sake of doing it. I was anxious, I was nervous, and I had no business creating my vision board in that space. So what that taught me is that if you're creating a vision board, it needs to be like, you need to be in the right headspace. You need to make sure you're in a positive space in your mind. So one of the things I did this year, I mean, like, yeah, this time when I was creating my vision board for next year, is I made sure that when I was thinking about my goals, I just looked for some videos on YouTube and I was playing affirmations even as I was thinking about my goals. That really worked so well for me. I just feel like this is probably my best vision board yet. I feel like it just represents where I'm trying to go. I love that I've incorporated a lot of quotes just to remind me, you know, anytime I'm slacking, that, you know, you need to be doing this, you need to be consistent, you need to be self-disciplined, otherwise you're not going to be able to achieve the things you want to achieve, or rather I will not be able to achieve the things I'm trying to achieve. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys snippets. Again, I don't want to share like too much about my goals just because that kind of makes me anxious as well. That could have been the other reason why I was a bit anxious, just creating it, thinking about all the people who are going to be looking at it. So this year I'm just going to show you guys snippets. I'm just going to give you like some of the tips I use when I'm doing my vision board, which is, you know, you just have to make sure you have the right tools. So for me, I use manila paper, a pair of scissors. You might need a printer so that you can be able to print the images. Then you just need a laptop or a computer or your phone to download the images that represent your goals and your heart's desires. You need a marker pen or a Sharpie, whatever works for you, just in case you need to write something. And I think that's pretty much it for me. I don't even complicate things. I know that there are people who will put their vision board like in a frame, but I don't really do that. So that's pretty much it for me. You might also need sellotape in case you need to, you know, just stick it on the wall or something. So for me, what I do is I just take out a day where I think about my goals. I write them down as I'm listening to the affirmations, just so that I make sure the vibe is positive, I am calm, I am relaxed. So yeah, I take out a day, I do that, think about my goals. Some of the categories I look at is career and work, then there's lifestyle and fun and travel, then we have finances in terms of like what amount do I want to have in my bank account at the end of 2021, something like that. Then I just write myself a check and I put it up on my vision board, so that even as I work in 2021, I know that you need to be doing this. If I'm slacking and I see that figure and I'm just like, okay, if I'm to achieve this goal, I need to probably do more, I need to be consistent, I need to be self-disciplined. Another area I focus on is, of course, family and friends. I focus on like my relationship as well. What else do I focus on? Those are the main areas I focus on. Once I have that, I can actually write things I'm trying to achieve in those areas. Just try and find quotes, photos, whatever will best represent what I'm trying to remind myself throughout the year. Then once I've done that, so that's a different day from the day when I'm planning to do my vision board. So once I have that, I print them out. I download everything, of course, then I print them out. After I print them out, I mean, you can do everything on one day, but I just prefer, like especially this time around, I just prefer to give myself time, give myself space, not give myself a lot of pressure. So I did it in, I think, 2 or even 3 different days. Then on the day of creating the vision board, I just take out my papers. I have my manila paper, cut out the images from, you know, like from the paper I've printed them on, and then I just stick them on my vision board. Another thing I did different is when I was doing my vision board, I just put up motivational videos to listen to even as I'm doing my videos, not my videos, but my vision board. And that was just amazing. It just reminded me of the days when I really was into motivation, I really was into inspirational videos. And my hope in 2021 is that I will be able to get back into that, because they're really amazing videos. It's amazing when you can actually be able to uplift someone, and that is what I just love, to be able to uplift someone and to be able to motivate someone to do something that they've probably been procrastinating to do, something they've been afraid to do. Yeah, let's see what 2021 has in store for us. I might just decide to incorporate them back into my YouTube channel once again. So I don't think there's a lot I wanted to talk about on that, just to give you a few tips, just talk about how you can go about getting into creating one in case you've never done it. And it's just as simple as that. Let me know in the comments section down below if you've ever created a vision board, if you think it's important, if you've done it and it's really made a difference in your life. Just let me know. I'd like to interact with you in the comment section. Please do like, share, of course comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.